Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the weekday function in Excel and get the weekday name for a date in Excel. Now, in order to do that, just select the space you want, then go ahead, click on this icon, then click on this, then click on date and time, then scroll down until you find weekday. Go ahead, click on it, click on OK, and now just go ahead, click on this arrow right there, then choose the function, which is the column you want to transfer. Click on it. And after you click on it, you can hit enter. Then after you hit enter, just go ahead, click on OK. And there you have it. You have changed the function. Now just drag it across all of the columns. Now, in order to change these numbers into days, just go ahead, select them, right click, then go ahead to format. Just click on it. And after you do that, just go ahead, click on this right there, custom. And now just go ahead, delete this, and type D 4 times. Now you have the date and the day name available. Go ahead, click on OK, and they will change for you. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.